So we couldn't download this video with any audio or our guys talking or music. So this is a short clip of our team doing some basement waterproofing. We broke out over 100 feet of trench in just 1 hour, and the crew here is working hard installing a perimeter drainage system with a new sump pump and a vapor barrier on the foundation wall. And this is gonna give a lifetime transferable warranty on the home for any groundwater seepage where we've done work, which is about 80 or 90% of the perimeter.